CNBC TV 18 and WazirX present conversation with early Bitcoin adopters. Apple Inc. investors have one thing in common with crypto investors. They both believed in something that the world did not. Early adopters have not only been the biggest beneficiaries of outstanding returns, but also the visionaries who saw a diamond in the rough and decided to bid on it. As Bitcoin scales to a whopping $66,000, even in the middle of a global pandemic, a reassessment of whether crypto investments should be favored is due. Joining us is Guruprasad Naik. He's an early Bitcoin adopter. Guru, hi, congratulations for that. And formal education and courses in learning about money are aplenty. But the best insights come from those who have been first-hand experience holders and those who are self-taught. Do you think learning in real time triumphs learning from books when it comes to knowledge of finances?
Oh, definitely. Experience is always the best teacher, I would say. I've learned a lot with my experience, all work experience, travel experiences, and experience dealing with money. All this has taught me a lot and which has helped me in making my decisions.
But when it comes to experiences with Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, how has that been?
It's been great because by experience, I learned so much. And this is one of the things I would tell your audience is experience the actual blockchain. A lot of times people are only stuck to exchanges, and experiencing how the blockchain works, how Bitcoin works, using it in real life, doing transactions between peer-to-peer, and taking custody of your coins. And all these experiences will teach you more about blockchain than just leave it on the exchanges.
Also, Guru, what was your rationale behind crypto investments? Why did you choose to be an early investor in this novel investment tool?
My background in gold and silver helped me a lot. I had a lot of interest in understanding how money works even before the 2008 crisis. One of the books that I read was the Creature of Jekyll Island by Edward Griffiths. It was a great book for me to open my eyes about how banking works, how central banking works, and how money works. And from that, I learned about gold and silver, the fundamentals of gold and silver. And from that, I came to Bitcoin. And when Bitcoin happened, it was like, oh, it was the best thing ever.
But would you say the last 10 years or the time that you have been in cryptocurrency markets until now, perhaps is filled with volatilities, exchanges opening and closing down, ditto with many of these other altcoins as well?
Oh, yeah. The last 10 years has been very, with lots of ups and downs, especially the bear markets. Everyone enjoys the bull markets, but to survive the bear market is something else. That the bear market is the one that really teaches you. It's the bear market when you sharpen your knives. The bull market is when you just enjoy.
You are an asset management expert in your own right. So how do you think people can accommodate crypto investments in their portfolio, given that it's now such a lucrative investment option?
Yes, I would just advise people not to get completely carried away with the prices, but look at the fundamentals of crypto. And there is always a place in your portfolio which you find as a safe amount of crypto. I would, even though I'm a big crypto guy, but I also think that gold and silver has some place in your crypto, and a well-balanced portfolio is always good. So I would still feel a little bit of property market, a little bit of exposure to gold and silver, and some crypto.
So how does Guru's portfolio look like? How much of cryptocurrencies do you have within that? And within that portfolio as well, how does the overall crypto portfolio look like?
Well, at the moment, because the prices have gone up so much, my crypto portfolio was more like 30% before maybe 2017. But because prices have gone up so much, it is almost 90% of my portfolio. I'm still a believer of gold and silver, so I do hold gold and silver. I'm out of the property market now, but I used to be in the property market before.
All right. And what do you anticipate about the future of crypto in India? Do you think we will see a rise in investments from people who are apprehensive about it at the moment?
I think crypto in India has got a great future. In fact, in India, crypto makes so much sense because there are so many things that go in for crypto. In India, people have the young population, people are smart, They have the biggest computer IT professionals come from India. India is famous for IT professionals. So you have the IT professionals coming from India, and the boom in mobile phone and internet that happens that has happened in India. So if you put these things together, I think crypto and Bitcoin overall has got a great future in India.
All right. Guru, we'll let you go at that. Thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate your time.
Thank you very much,
Thank
Manisha.
you.